Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video we are learning how to change your account nickname on Exness. To change your Exness account's nickname, first of all, launch open any web browser and type in exness.com in the URL box and search. Once you're inside the home page of Exness, go to the top right corner and click sign in. Make sure to type in your credentials correct and log into your account. And once you're logged into the home page of exness.com, from the My Accounts tab that appears on the screen, scroll down and select whether you are using a real or demo account and click on the three dots right next to Set Balance. In the expanded menu, click on Add or Edit Nickname and enter a new nickname you want to change to. Once you are done, click on Save and you have successfully set or changed your nickname for your trading account. Your new nickname will be updated instantly. So there you have it. That is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.